Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify cookie banner UI compliance with OneTrust, full guide step by step clearly. To verify cookie banner UI compliance with OneTrust, begin by accessing your OneTrust account. Log in with your credentials. Select the appropriate project associated with your website. Navigate to the cookie compliance section in the dashboard. Locate the cookie banner option within this section. Open the cookie banner settings to review the current configuration. Ensure that the banner is set to display prominently on your web page. Check the banner text for clarity and compliance with legal requirements. Verify that the banner includes options for users to accept or decline cookies. Ensure that the cookie preferences link is easily accessible on the banner. Review the design elements to confirm they align with your brand guidelines. Test the responsiveness of the cookie banner on various devices. Simulate user interactions to ensure the accept and decline buttons function correctly. Check that the cookie preference center is accessible through the banner. Review the privacy policy link within the cookie banner for correct URL functionality. Use the OneTrust scan tool to evaluate the implementation and compliance status. In the scan results, address any flagged issues promptly. Document any necessary changes and implement them in your website's code. Conduct a final review of the updated banner for consistency and compliance. Prepare to retest the implementation after making changes. Ensure ongoing monitoring of cookie compliance as regulations may change. With this comprehensive approach, you can confidently verify the compliance of your cookie banner UI with OneTrust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.